Eating animals is wrong, Ryan Trahan. Hurting animals is wrong, Ryan Trahan. Share this song and change your entire channel to be vegan from now on. Hello students, welcome to class. I'm Miss KADIE, that vegan teacher, and today we're going to be looking at this channel by this guy who is apparently going to be going to McDonald's, Taco Bell, and I don't know, Starbucks, something like that, Wendy's, I don't know. I'm not really looking forward to it, but you know what we need to do? We need to go and visit these people and call them out for the animal abuse that they're taking part in. So are you guys ready? Here we go. Let's do this. Drink soy milk, oat milk, rice milk, almond milk. Don't steal milk from a cow. Be vegan, start right now. Follow that vegan teacher. She will show you how. Let's go and see his channel. But before we do, I want to remind you to subscribe and press the notification bell. Why? Because you were actually born vegan. You never wanted to hurt animals, and you can return to your roots and be vegan again. So subscribe so you don't miss any videos in the future. All right, what have we got here?
The other day I saw a picture of this guy named William who broke the world record for the most expensive Starbucks drink ever. It cost him $148.99.
Oh, not another one of these. It's gonna be like a Mr. Beast type thing. Who cares?
And it got me thinking, what is the...
It got you thinking what? That maybe you shouldn't be caring about this kind of stuff because the biggest drink is not important?
most expensive drive-thru item I can possibly order.
Why? Why would you care? Why don't you care about the animals instead? Do something good with your life.
Well, today I'm holding a contest with all the drive-thrus in my city to see who wins the bag award. I made this trophy. I worked hard on it. So Here are the rules. 1, it has to be a single item. 2, I can't tell the employees what the current record is.
Why are you doing this? What is the point?
3, the item cannot have any vegetable.
What? Why on earth would you be trying to teach a bunch of young, impressionable people not to eat veggies?
On it, mostly because I'm scared of them. It has
Oh, sure. That's just great. That's just great. Scared of vegetables.
nothing to do with the challenge. And at the end of this video, I'm gonna try to beat William's world record. Let's go to the first drive.
Why? Why don't you do something good with your life? Why don't you go out there and try some different vegan food restaurants? Why on earth are you doing this? Everyone does the same shit over and over again.
Through.
And we got the music.
I'm actually very nervous. I don't know what the...
He is nervous. He is nervous. There are people right now who are being bombed to death in Palestine, and he is a white male in a car, and he is nervous.
Their most expensive item is, but I did steal Mr. Beast's credit card for this video. I'll
You know what? We're skipping this part. Who cares about Mr. Beast? Whatever. What is he doing?
Taco Bell might be a sleeper. Their menu isn't that pricey. It's pretty affordable. However, you throw in some add-ons and things might get a little crazy.
What can we do?
Can I get the most expensive item on the menu?
What? Did we miss the part about the drink now or whatever he got? Oh God, now we have to go back. I was hoping we could just skip it.
Yummy. What was your name? Isabella, thanks so much. This is our first contestant of the video. Get a load of this. Look at this. What even is that on top? The ingredient list is...
What was that? That looked like some peas and carrots or something.
It's insane. A venti iced chai tea with vanilla cold foam,
oat milk, that's vegan! Dance with me, baby. A vegan world is coming. A vegan world is coming soon. Dance with me, baby. A vegan world is coming. A vegan world is coming soon. That is vegan. Good job. Excellent. Oat milk. It's not cow's milk. It's not stolen from innocent baby cows who are murdered. That is great.
Milk, 6 shots of who knows what. Vanilla syrup, a scoop of vanilla bean.
Vanilla is vegan?
Powder, caramel drizzle.
Caramel? I don't know what that, I don't know.
Mocha drizzle and sprinkles of some sort. I don't know what those
Probably
letters
not vegan.
mean. Although the bag award can only go to the drive-thru with the most expensive item, there will be an honorable mention for which one tastes the best. With all of that being said, here goes absolutely nothing.
What does that expression even mean? Here goes nothing.
That's actually pretty good. That's gas. My friends, we've got ourselves a leader. A Starbucks drink that costs $19.70. It's also the only one that's participated so far. So let's move on to the next one.
Oh, please, let's do.
Taco Bell drive-thru.
Okay, so I went to Taco Bell with Oompaville down in Texas, and we had some vegan burritos. So we had some beans in there, and we had some spices, and we had some onions, and you know, hopefully he's gonna get something that is vegan.
Lunchtime on a Friday.
Of course it is.
Taco Bell might be a sleeper. Their menu isn't that pricey. It's pretty affordable. However, you throw in some add-ons and things might get a little crazy.
Alright, what can I for you today?
Can I get the most expensive item on the menu?
I wouldn't know what that would be by heart. I think it would be the steak palatable.
Okay, yeah.
Steak, he just said yes to steak. No, that's a definite X. Don't do
I
that.
gotta
Why
tell-
are you promoting the murder of innocent animals? Those cows did nothing to you.
Check the ingredients. Check the ingredients. Do it right away. If it's not vegan, back the fuck away. Don't buy any eggs, any dairy, or any meat. Instead, go grab something vegan when you're thirsty or when you want to eat.
It's the bag award.
You know, I think that's a pretty cool joke.
Cheers.
Okay, can we just skip through some of
Add
this?
fries. Add seasoned rice.
Oh, look at that. This is awful. A chicken. Poor innocent chickens. You know they live lifetimes of hell on factory farms. They are bred to be Frankenstein-like in shape. They can barely stand up. Their entire lives are suffering. And why would you be promoting this? Why are you not a nice gentleman who will talk about vegan food instead of this? I mean, fries are vegan. Why don't you focus on the things that are vegan and just leave the other? Look at this. Cheese. This is awful. Jalapeno peppers. Those are vegan. Rice is vegan. Seasoned, those are spices, those are vegan. But just leave out the other stuff. Okay, guacamole, that could be vegan. It's made with avocados, but we want to make sure that there is no kind of sauce in there that comes from eggs or some milk, something like that. All right? Come on, you can do better. Let's see what's going on here now.
And a bunch of other stuff that I probably don't like. He put no tomatoes, though. I appreciate that.
No, that's not cool. That's definitely another X. You want to encourage your young audience to eat healthy veggies, fruits, nuts, and seeds.
Lentils. Lentils are protein. Lentils are great. Google vegan recipes so you can appreciate their flavor, their texture, not their cruelty-free. A cup has 18 grams of protein, so come be vegan with me.
Here we go. Oh my gosh, it's so heavy. There it is. Look at that. Oh my gosh. It
Oh,
literally
no.
smells like it cost $20. There are so many.
No, look at all that cheese. That's terrible. Now, the tacos themselves, or the little Dorito type things, those might be vegan. Often they are. That part's okay. But just don't get all of this cheese, which comes from a cycle of violence, which is the dairy industry. I don't know if you realize what you're doing, but you absolutely need to stop promoting this. The dairy industry is absolutely horrific. It is a place where these baby cows are taken away from their mothers and they are killed so that humans can go underneath the cows and steal the mother's milk. The mothers are in this cycle of violence and enslavement. The babies have their skin ripped off of them. Look at this little sweetie. This is just a baby. And within moments, he will be taken away from his mom. I want you to go and look at this site called dairy-truth.com. Go and have a look at it and understand what is really going on. Here is another example of a little baby who is separated at birth from his mom. He wants to be with his mom in the same way that you wanted to be with your mom. Cow's milk is for baby cows, and you are not a baby or a cow, and this is the message that you must teach your fans. Remind your young, impressionable followers that they should be drinking the dairy-free alternatives, such as soy milk or oat milk, which is also healthier for them.
Ingredients in this bowl. My chip can't even support the weight. This one tastes even better than Starbucks. My friends, we have ourselves a new bag award leader. Taco Bell 2002. You guys are the best.
Absolutely
I love the
awful.
sound effect.
Do
The sound
not
effect it's like
encourage
the best
this kind
sound
of
effect
thing on your channel.
ever.
No. Oh, no. And now we're going to the absolute hell of hells. Horrific. So many murdered animals keep coming into these restaurants everywhere around the world because of people like you who encourage people to go there. This is an absolute devastation. It is a holocaust that is going on.
Dead bodies here, is this a cemetery? Why are there so many corpses here? Where is everyone's empathy? Why is there so much death in the store? Why do you think you need to buy it? Why is there so much death? Is this a morgue? Is it time to be vegan? Is it time to try it? Why are there dead bodies here? Is this a cemetery? Why are there so many corpses here? Where is everyone's empathy? Being vegan is healthy for all ages, and yes, even our dogs can be vegan too. Please can we walk away from this place of death? Please can we try something new? Today can be the day you change your life around. Today can be the day you grow your wings and break free from your cocoon. Why are there dead bodies here? Is this a cemetery? Why are there so many corpses here? Where is everyone's empathy? Why is there so much death in the store? Why do you think you need to buy it? Why is there so much death? Is this a morgue?
I don't understand people. I don't understand the entitlement of people.
Is it time to be vegan? Is it time to try it? Yes, it's time to try it.
Have you even seen the documentary yet? Have you watched Dominion? I bet you haven't. You're too much of a coward, aren't you? How about Earthlings? Did you see that? No? Why not? It is your moral obligation to watch those documentaries before you ever set foot into these places. Shame on you. I think I've seen enough. I don't think we need to keep watching here. We know where this is going. We've seen this a million times before. But for the rest of you who are actually good people, interested people, brave people, kind people, after you watch the documentaries that you saw on screen, Cowspiracy and Dominion Movement and Earthlings, feel free to go ahead and look at this next documentary. This one is called The Game Changers. Once you know that you want to be vegan, just watch that one and you'll see how strong you can be. It is filled with different vegan athletes at the top of their game. To everyone here, thank you so much for subscribing to this channel. It means a lot to me because I want to get out there and make this world as vegan as possible by saving the planet, the animals, and you too. Thanks for being here, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.
Let's follow that vegan teacher on YouTube right now. Let's